On the Sedona Elite models, just like the new BC models, you have the setup on the front where the bearing's at, where you can adjust the drum if it ever comes out of alignment. By turning it counterclockwise, it pulls the drum closer to the front plate. So if, for example, you started to hear the grinding of the drum against the front plate when it's being heated, it would sound kind of like this. Then you would want to turn it clockwise to pull it away. And as you can see, there's 3 set screws here that you adjust with a 2.5 millimeter hex key so that you can turn it either left or right. On the other hand, if you begin to notice in your debris tray too much debris falling in, or even perhaps beans falling in, that means there's too much of a gap between the front plate and the drum, and therefore it needs to be pulled closer. And you can do this when the machine is not heating, or if you notice a problem while it's heating, you can make the adjustment. Right now we have the drum running and we are heating the roaster, preheating it, and so we have adjusted it to pull it away from the front plate. And then when we're done, we tighten up these 3 set screws so that it won't move and it will stay in that position. But anytime your drum comes out of an alignment on either the BC roasters or the Sedona Elite roasters, you can adjust it this way. Now keep in mind, once the roaster's been heated for quite a while, this bearing holder is going to get hot, so you may want to use a glove to make that adjustment.